And I've been busy and made this flan. There's goodness of fruits and custard. And the tip for the custard is a bit of almond flour to kind of make the taste a little richer. And bring in the goodness of almonds. All right. So before I continue further, as a shopaholic, I think I showed you this, huh? But to my viewers, yeah, the totem pole. All right. So I bought this on eBay, and that being said, I have a nice little rhyme again, inspired by Delia Owens from Where the Crawdads Said That Sing, and that's a Reese with a Spoon book club selection. All right, I'm going to go to that. The flan, the crust is baked. The top is custard. I make a whipped cream filling flan also, but all right. So now I am going to measure the radius. The radius of this, the easiest way is to do the diameter. Well, that would be wrong. Okay, diameter, inner diameter, 8 inches. So I should have known this. 8-inch pan, right? 8-inch pan. So I am going to, you have to correct me sometime, and after watching the YouTube video at a later day, but I'm pretty positive that theta is equal to arc and by radius. So arc by radius, area of a curve. And I'm cutting, and x is equal to r sine theta, radius multiplied by sine theta. Sine theta would be the opposite by, okay, we just make 4. No, I have to make more because sorry, I shall cut this, but I wanted to show the entire flan to you folks. Okay. All right. Okay, this is a cake server. This is a cake server. So it's not going to serve you a slice of pie. All right. I will cut the. Okay. This this has to go on top, and so I'm rearranging it as a square, on a square plate, and now I'm going to align the other one this way, so it becomes a nice square. So shall I get the banana portion or the blueberries? Summery fruit, but these are frozen blueberries. Yeah, and so okay, this would be this way, and it's a square, and okay, square. It's not quite as like geometric shapes because it's cooking and baking and cooking, so that is a square. All right. So now, cos theta, sine theta, and cos theta are calculated from the perpendicular angle, right? So that's so. Yeah. So sine theta. Well, let me see theta. Theta is the arc by the radius. So let's see protractor, and And okay, this way. And I am seeing theta to be, go from 0, theta to be 30 degrees. Where is, let me see, 30, and I have to show it to you. So show it to you. So theta is here, and yeah, 20. The theta is equal to 20 degrees, I think. Theta is equal to this is 20 degrees. Theta is equal to 20 degrees. Theta is equal to 20 degrees. And let me check if theta is equal to 20 degrees. And if this arc by radius, radius is 4 inches, r is equal to 4 inches, which is 10 centimeter. And if measure of the arc, which would be I'll do centimeters instead, so it's easy. So measure of the arc is not too curvy. If I take the curvy portion, it's 6.2. So 6.2. So arc by arc, theta is equal to arc by r is equal to 10 centimeter by 6.2 centimeter, which is 1.62, 30, 360. Or we will just do Excel. All right, 10 by 6.2, give me a minute, is equal to 10 by 6.2, which is 1.61. 1.61. And what is sine theta? Or we'll just do sine of 20 degrees. Sine 20, 0.913, 0.913, cos 20, 0.441. 0.913 sine 20 is sine 20, 0.913, and cos 20 degrees is equal to 0.408, I think. 41. All right. So our what I'm trying to do is take the x equals r sine theta plus x equals y cos theta, r cos theta, that's x plus y in Cartesian coordinates. Somehow pi has to come, but you remember you can't fit a square peg in a round hole, so pi has to come. All right, so now let me see what I get. Perimeter of this, so 2x, so I have to get r cos theta plus, so r 12 centimeter, this is actually 10.5 plus 9, 10.5 plus 9. These are sort of 10.5 plus 9, 10.5 plus 9 centimeter, which is 19.5 centimeter. And you'll have to, of course, perimeter, again, this is perimeter by half, right? 2x plus 2y, perimeter. This is x plus y is equal to perimeter by half. So that's good. So now, if I were to add r cos theta, so r is 4 inches. Okay, so am I going to get 19.2 centimeter? There has to be a pi somewhere. So r 4 inches for the 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter star 0.913 equals 9 point is equal to 10 a star 0.408. 9.1 is equal to 9.13 plus 4.08, and oh, this skyrockets. If I were to multiply 13.21 by so that's 13.21. I'm getting x sine theta plus y sine theta is 13.21. Sorry, r sine theta plus y cos theta is 13.21. But where would I think I have to divide by square root of 3.14, right? Or 2 square root of 3.14 is equal to square function of x 3.1 square root okay 3.14 1.72 1.77 and so is equal to 13.21 star 1.77. Oh no, this is skyrocketing again. Divide by 13 point, because I'm by 1.77. Oh, there's a discrepancy. I get 7.46 this way. 7.46. This did not come out right. But multiplied by. This is a whole pie. So how much do I have? So 19.2. So that 13.21 times 2. So I cut it into 8 halves. So 4. 13.21. 13.21 is equal to, I'm getting a little confused yet. It's equal to 19. So 4 halves. Sorry, 8 halves, right? 8 halves of the pie. And so I have, this is the perimeter is 19.2 centimeter multiplied by 2, right? Only 2 portion, 19.2 multiplied by 2, 38.4 is equal to, so again, r sine theta plus r cos theta. So 9, and that's 13.21 star 3.14. Oh, not close. Pi has to come, right? So pi has to come 41.4794, and this is 38.4. My measurement here, 38.4. So maybe I got the theta a little off. So fun exercise for you. Bake a pie, and tomorrow I'm going to come back with pizza and Canada dish, Canada appetizer. Isabel Allende said appetizers are like kisses. Entrees are like having, hardcore sex, and desserts are like happy endings. This is a dessert. So today is happy ending, and I will go ahead and turn a bit of music on, and maybe classical, or I said, or we will do a bit of funky jazz. Okay. I mentioned when the crowd are dancing, the going to do much of dancing. I'm a little tired. Too much of cooking, right? So again, a bit of inspiration from Miss Owens. Uh, so she makes cornbread fritters, but by pouring, mixture of cornmeal, water, and salt. So hot that the concoction boiled up. The edges frying into crispy flakes. Cornmeal. And make a plain. On the flat, like a yellow tea towel. Another tea towel. Read. Ready? The banana. Yes, summer almost. The first mango. This is the music of my own soul. Like to give a big hand of applause to Rudy Gerder. I think that's the person who's playing.